Feeling overwhelmed by daily tasks? Life throws a lot at us, from chores to errands. What if there were simple tricks to make everything just a little bit smoother? While there's no magic button to skip responsibilities, people have discovered clever shortcuts. These aren't just hacks, they're real-life cheat codes. They save time, energy, and stress. Stop scrubbing stubborn dishes. Fill your sink with hot water, dish soap, and a scoop of OxiClean. Let everything soak for a while. Most grime will rinse right off with no scrubbing needed. Pour liquid coffee creamer into your mug before the coffee. The hot coffee pouring in will automatically stir the creamer. No need to dirty a spoon. Keep opened or unopened potato and tortilla chips in the freezer. They won't freeze solid, but they will stay perfectly crisp. Say goodbye to stale chips forever. When finding recipes online, look for the print link. This often removes all the extra story and ads. You get just the recipe, clean and simple. Use chalk markers on your fridge or containers. Write the date you opened items like shredded cheese or jams. This helps you know if they're still good and reduces food waste. Bring reusable containers like Tupperware to farmers markets. They're perfect for delicate items like berries. This prevents them from getting crushed in bags. Say important actions out loud, like "I've turned the stove off" or "I've unplugged the straightener." This simple verbal confirmation helps prevent those nagging doubts later. It engages your brain more effectively. Label unique chargers or power cables with what device they belong to. Use a label maker, or even just tape and a marker. This saves you frustration when searching for the right cord. Write down good ideas the moment they strike. Don't trust your memory alone, especially when busy. A quick note can save a brilliant thought from disappearing. For small items or spare parts that come with furniture or appliances, put them in labeled Ziploc bags. Store these bags in a dedicated bin. Periodically review and toss what you no longer need. When you temporarily set something down, say out loud where you put it. For example, "I've put the keys on the counter by the fruit bowl." This creates a stronger memory link. Need to remember something specific in the future? Send yourself a text message and schedule it to arrive on the relevant date. Your phone becomes a personal reminder service. For chores you dread, set a timer for just 4 minutes. Tell yourself you only have to work until the timer goes off. Often, getting started is the hardest part, and you might keep going. If you spill something oily or goopy, sprinkle cornstarch or baking soda on it. It helps solidify the mess, making it much easier to scoop up and clean without spreading. Clean your home thoroughly right before leaving for a trip. Returning to a clean space after traveling is incredibly refreshing. It makes unpacking and settling back in much less stressful. When putting on a fitted sheet, look for the seam or tag that indicates the bottom. Use a permanent marker to put a big X on the bottom corners. You'll get it right the first time, every time. Hold bed sheets up to the light to see the fiber direction. Putting the sheet on so the fibers run horizontally ensures you're orienting it correctly. No more guessing which side is which. If you're feeling down, try showering, getting fully dressed, including shoes, and eating a good meal. This simple routine can shift your mindset. At the very least, you're ready to face things. If you sit for long periods, make a routine of stretching your hip flexors and chest. This can be a game changer. It helps counteract the effects of hunching and can relieve lower back pain. Got an itchy mosquito bite? Heat a spoon under hot water, dry it, and press it on the bite. The heat helps break down the protein causing the itch. Hold it as long as you can tolerate. When reading Amazon reviews, focus on the 3- and 4-star ones. They often provide the most balanced and realistic feedback. You'll get a better sense of pros and cons than from extreme reviews. Having trouble making a decision? Flip a coin. As the coin is in the air, pay attention to which outcome you secretly hope for. This reveals your true preference, making the choice easier. Don't underestimate the power of a library card. Beyond books, many libraries offer free access to tools, equipment, classes, streaming services, and online learning platforms. It's a goldmine of free resources. These small adjustments can add up to big improvements in your daily life. They save time, reduce stress, and help you feel more in control. Start by trying just one or two that resonate with you. Which of these cheat codes will you try first? Share this video with someone who needs a little simplification in their life. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips.